Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an outline only text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to type the word love, and I'm also going to change the font to, let's say, this one. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to select this one or this one. I'm just going to select the white outline one, and I'm going to go to stroke, and I'm just going to adjust the thickness of it because I don't want it to be like very thick like the outline. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to right click, create compound clip, select blend mode, and select brighten or screen. If you chose the black outline, you are going to select the darken one. And that's it. You can create this like really cool like text effect if you'd like to. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.